Hey guys, this is Dr. Hannes Tech, and today it's finally here to test out the cameras on the S23 Ultra, that massive 200 megapixel over here, which does help to record actually this whole video in 8K at 30 FPS. So actually right now what you're seeing here, because I don't have the phone on me, because I'm actually using the phone to record everything in this video. So right now I'm using it on Ultra HD with the portrait video, so you can see with the edge detection moving around, how good is it. Let me know, and also the mic as well, the speakers and all that. Let me know how it sounds, and I'm going to show you some 8K footage as well, like I mentioned. So yes, let's just get right into it. Say hi.
You're at Montclair.
Beautiful base.
I want to reserve 4 o'clock. What are you doing?
Recording.
You're going to hear me, right?
We're being recorded. Okay, and also on the front side of the camera, it can record up to Ultra HD as well, and I'm actually using it with the portrait video mode, so you can see that you're gonna get that cinematic mode with it, which looks really awesome. I'm just loving the portrait video. It's on the S23 Ultra. Of course, just let me know how the mics as well sound from the phone, and also how it looks. I mean, I think it looks really great. Now let's move on to the next part. And the S23 Ultra does come with the video stabilization feature, which you can use up to Quad HD at 60 FPS. So I think I'm just running like a madman over here, but you can see that the video stabilization looks really awesome on the S23 Ultra. Okay, so now let's check out some still shots with that 200 megapixel main lens. And I gotta say, I mean, look at that amazing details and colors that comes out from the main lens of the S23 Ultra. And of course, if you want to crop in, you can see that the image quality is still so good. And now if we use the main lens here, which does have a 16:1 binding pixel here by the S23 Ultra, you can see that a lot of details and color is still represented. I do find that the 3x and 10x optical zoom is really helpful, especially if you want to find something that is very far away and you want to have some details there. That telephoto lens definitely does help. As you can see here, it can go up all the way to 100x, which is amazing. And if we go on to some portrait shots here, I really do like the edge detection that comes with it, and of course you can use the 3x or the 1x optical zoom here to get that nice crispy shots. Again, you can see the colors look very natural, and I like the edge detection. Going on to the selfie shooter here, I do like that the natural skin tones are kept with the lens here. Even with a downgraded 12 megapixel, it still looks awesome. And finally, let's check out some night mode over here. Gotta say, it looks really nice. A lot of details, and keep in mind it's actually very dark when I took all these shots. I gotta say, with that all processing here, the AI processing, it looks really good. And let's enjoy all the shots here, including the ultra wide that I've taken with the S23 Ultra.